In this video, I will show you how I made $857 in a single hour of work. How I've essentially used the same strategy for 9 years already. Why it still works, how it works, and therefore why you should use this strategy if you want to make an income from home. But hey, there's something about this strategy that you would never expect. It's been forgotten. Nobody is talking about it anymore. I will uncover why Make Money Online gurus aren't talking about it anymore. And just as a warning, this video will be controversial. So let's dive right into it. By the way, my name is Marvin. I've built 5 different businesses to 5 figures a month from home with clients in 39 countries worldwide. I'm making this video because there is a lot of misinformation going around online these days when it comes to online businesses, when it comes to what works and what doesn't. Let's talk about what I sell, how I sell it, and why I sell it. Do you see that Stripe history right here? That's me charging the same client $900 for an hour of my time, which is $857 after Stripe fees, and we signed a contractual agreement with this client that will get me at least 12 of such payments, which is essentially close to $11,000 for roughly 12 hours of my time. And it's the same service that I've sold since 2016. That was the year when I started my first online business and I hit close to 30K a month from home from my children's room. Can you guess what service it is? I will tell you. See, attention is priceless. And if you can get a company more attention of new potential customers, you will never be broke. So in this case, the company ranked on page 4 or 5 on Google. There's a very famous saying about that. As you probably know, nothing of value has ever been discovered out there in the dry wasteland of Google pages 2 and beyond. The problem the client had is really simple. Customers wouldn't find this company via organic searches, so their business became irrelevant. It was frustrating for their potential customers, frustrating for the company's bank account. Therefore, they hired me. I set up a simple Google ad campaign in about 30 minutes that would push them up all the way for the most relevant search terms that their customers would be searching for. That's it, job done. But if you wonder what it looks like, it's a bunch of charts like cost per click, impressions, and that's pretty much it. But if you wonder, how do I keep the client in the loop? I just send them an update every 30 days, and I spend about 5 minutes a week just overseeing this ad and checking in if it's still performing well. So it's time to address the uncomfortable truth. If you listen to young gurus out there who are pushing the next big thing narrative down your throat, let me tell you that they are manipulating you in the worst way. You're wasting your time listening to them. This identical service has been sold by marketing agencies for 25 years, since 2000, also in 2005 or 2015. Always. These YouTube gurus told you that social media marketing and running ads for businesses were dead. It was overrated, saturated, not worth it. They were lying to you. I've sold such marketing services to businesses for the past 9 years. In fact, I'm talking to a new client this week. I will sell him a landing page for $1,000 that will take me maybe an hour to create. It's the same exact service combined with a monthly contract worth over $6,000 for roughly 12 hours of my time. Gurus told you that AI is going to disrupt this industry. You should focus on new business trends, when all that AI did was to help people like me make more money with the same old model by just giving it a new spin and adapting to modern client acquisition strategies. If you wonder, what do you mean by that? How does AI play a role in any of this? AI helped me research. AI helped me find this client when I researched niches with a high potential and a high need for a service such as Google Ads right now. AI helped me to optimize my messages and helped me prepare for my call where I sold them my service. But there's a lot more to say, listen. Even Google Ads itself provides you with AI optimized features. So providing the service is actually very hands-off, which is I think also why I never had any unhappy Google Ads clients. Now let's talk about you. Let me help you walk the first few steps for you so you can offer such services from home as well. And maybe if that's what you want, replace your current job by working less and staying home. I quickly explain what you should focus on first in 3 simple steps. By the way, I created exclusive video trainings to hit the first 10K from home. You can find the link in the description. Step 1, what niches are you interested in? For me, I like fitness, I like health, architecture, digital marketing, which is why I have signed clients in all of these niches before. Because I enjoy it and that makes my daily life just a lot easier, focusing on the things that I'm already interested in. Step number 2, what services are you interested in? Look, what I've shown you here works for nearly really any other marketing service as well. It works for services related to artificial intelligence, paid ad marketing, organic marketing, content marketing, brand growth, visual and logo design, Google search, like we just discussed, email, funnel creation, website creation, coaching and consulting. I sold all of those services. The list is endless. And here's the final step 3. I got a free video training on marvinadam.com that's breaking down the best online business to start this year. I share my strategies that helped me build 5 different brands to 5 figures a month without leaving my house. That helped Thomas hit $9K a month from home. It helped Marvin from Texas to hit $33,000 from home. Building lives they actually love. I guarantee it will be worth your time.